Hi all you wonderful people, welcome back to my channel Panache. Today I'm back again with another video, and today's video is going to be all about your base makeup. It's a step-by-step tutorial on how to get your base makeup right. Please note that if your base makeup is not well, is not good, is not perfect, your highlighter, your eyeshadow, nothing is going to look good. Okay, so you have to have your base makeup perfect. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do your base makeup step by step. Okay, I hope you really like this video. Okay, so please go ahead and check this out. So let's begin. I have already moisturized my face. Moisturizing your face is the key step before you start your foundation or your makeup base basically. Okay, so it's very important that you have a very nice nourished skin before you start your makeup. Also, if you're going out for a wedding or for any important ceremony, I suggest that you exfoliate your skin using a very nice scrubber. Okay, exfoliate your skin nicely if required, and if you have a lot of facial hair, if required, use a razor and shave off that excess facial hair that you have, because if you apply foundation on facial hair, it's not going to look good. So it's better you shave off your facial hair and then do your makeup, so only then your makeup is going to look really nice and flawless. So I have already moisturized my face. I have used this Neutriderm moisturizer. After you moisturize your face, wait for at least 5 minutes. Okay, wait for 5 minutes for the moisturizer to nicely get sunk into your skin, and your skin to absorb it nicely, and then you can begin. Okay, now I've already waited for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to begin with the primer. For the primer, I'm going to use this Colorbar primer. All the details of the products that I'm using today will be mentioned in the description box along with my shade. So for reference purpose, you can go through that. Now primer, you can take, this is silicone based primer. So I'm taking a little bit of this primer and applying it wherever I have pores. This helps in blurring out your pores and gives a nice smooth canvas. And it also creates like a barrier between your foundation and the skin. So which is very good. So it's good to apply a nice primer. Okay, see, I'm applying it on my wherever I have pores. I have some pores over here, and I have my T-zone area of my face is oily, so I like to apply a nice primer. Wait for it to absorb nicely. Don't be in a hurry, do it nicely. Okay, once you're done with your with priming your face, you can move on to concealer. Now there are two types of concealers. Okay, one is the orange color corrector. This is a color correcting actually. It's basically if you have a lot of redness on your face, you can use a green concealer or corrector. And if you have a lot of black spots on your face, pigmentation, your dark under eyes, whatever, you can use orange or a peach corrector depending on your skin type. Now for my skin type, I use a peach corrector. So I'm going for this peach corrector here. Okay, if you have a little darker skin tone, you can go for an orange corrector. Okay, so now I'm taking this peach corrector on a brush and applying it. I'm looking here because my mirror is here, and apply it under your eyes if you have dark circle. Wherever you have some pigmentation or acne marks, like I have some pigmentation and acne marks here, so I like to apply it and correct it. See, wherever you look into the mirror closely and see wherever you have you need some correction, only there you apply it. Okay, then you can take a beauty blender and blend. Blend, 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 blend. Blending, my friends, is the key to flawless makeup. So please do not forget to blend. Take your time, but blend it nicely. Okay, there. Now once I've applied this corrector, I will go on with my foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. I'm in the shade Warm Beige. Okay, I'm going with this foundation, taking a little bit on my finger, maybe just one pump. Okay, it depends on how much coverage you want. If you want a lot of coverage, you can build it up slowly and gradually, but don't go with too much of coverage at one time. Take little and then slowly and gradually you can build it up. I've taken about 1.5 pump. Okay, applied it all over my face, dot it all over your face nicely, and take a damp sponge, damp beauty blender and blend it all over your face. Use the tapping motion, just tap it. Do not drag your foundation, tap it nicely. Okay, and see that it's blended out very well. Do not forget your ears, do not forget your neck, your chin, the corner of your nose, the inner corner of your eyes. You can take it over your eyes also, on your eyelids, your forehead. Take it to the hairline nicely, so it doesn't look, you know, like two different shades. And most important is that you have to select a foundation that matches your skin tone. And for the beginners who are buying foundation, I suggest please do not buy it online. If you're buying it for the first time, please go to a store and check it on your neck and chin, your neck and your this chin area. Apply a little bit of here and see if it matches your skin and your face. Buy a foundation that matches your skin and face properly. If it is slightly darker, no problem, but do not go for a lighter shade, as it's going to look very funny. So, you know, go for a shade that will be like, you know, it will blend very well with your neck as well. So I really suggest please do not buy anything online, because online when you buy stuff it looks very different, but when you get it in when you try it in person, it's different. If you're very sure of your shade, go ahead and buy it. Else please buy it from a store, test it out and then buy it. Okay, so blend it very well. As I said, blending is the key to beautiful makeup. So please blend, blend, blend. Okay, now that I'm done with my foundation, let's move on to highlighting. Okay, this is a highlighting concealer that I'm going to use. This is from PAC. Okay, I'm in the shade Sand. I will use a little bit over here, little bit here, on my nose, on the tip of my nose, little bit, and here. That's it. Okay, now this will help in brightening your under eye. So you apply it over there and apply it and tap it this way, upward. So it gives a little lifted effect. You know, it does. You don't pull it down. Just place it like this. That's it. Take your time blending. Do not worry. Okay, take your time, blend it very well. Okay, once you're done blending, okay, you have to seal up this concealer or this highlighting concealer that you've applied under your eyes with a loose powder. So you take this loose powder. I'm taking this loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me. Okay, I'm in the shade medium 25. Take a little bit on this brush, a tapered brush. remove out the excess and look up and just place it there. It's very important to put the powder on the places wherever you applied the concealer, the highlighting concealer, so that it stays nice and put. After that, you can apply the powder, take it on a fluffy brush and apply it all over your face. Don't take too much, otherwise it will look too cakey. Just a little bit and brush it all over. This helps in sealing off your base makeup. So you will have, immediately you will get a nice matte effect. If your face is dry, you can avoid this step. Okay, you can just apply your concealer and put the powder just on the areas wherever you apply the concealer and leave it. There's no need for you to apply the powder if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, go ahead and do this step. It will really help in mattifying your makeup and give you a nice smooth finish. Okay, now I have oily skin, that's why I've done this step and it really helps me, so I like doing this step. So now you can see my skin looks nice and it matches with my neck as well. So this is it. One step that I like doing after applying my base makeup is to use a fixing spray. What happens when you use a fixing spray, all your base makeup gets sealed. So especially when you're wearing a mask or you're going out using the phone, it will not get transferred onto your phone. It will just remain put. Your makeup will remain nice. It will stay for a longer time and it will look really nice. So I like to do this step. If you want, you can, or you can skip it, up to you. Okay, just spray a little bit of this fixing spray. Now I'm using the one from Makeup Revolution Glow Fix. Okay, spray it nicely all over your face and use the same beauty blender and push the makeup in. Your makeup will get, your base will be nice and sealed after this, so it won't budge and it will look nice. And also whatever excess, if there's any excess powder or there's an excess foundation on your face, it will get absorbed by this beauty blender. So your face is not going to look cakey, it's going to look nice and supple and beautiful and not too made up. So this is it. So you can see my base is done. Now I'll apply a contour shade. I'm using this one. This is the Contour De-Force palette from Sugar. This is a very nice palette because it has the bronzer, highlighter as well as blush, all three in one. So it's a very good palette if you want to give it a try. Now for contouring, I'm going to use this bronze shade over here, bronzer shade, and I will be using a tapered brush. So you can see, you can use a brush something like this which is tapered. Okay, so you take a little bit of this on your brush, and if you can see, if you suck your cheeks in like this, you can see your bone over here, right? Just below the bone you apply this and don't drag it, just place it. You can see, just place it. You can take the same bronzer shade, pinch your brush and apply it on the sides of your nose here to just give a nice slimming effect to your nose, like this. You can see, it immediately makes your nose look nice and slim and give some structure to your face. Contouring is basically to just give some dimension and some structure to your face. That's why it is good to do contouring. Now it is not necessary, it's all up to you if you really want to do this step or you want to miss it. I like doing this especially when I go out for certain functions and all that. I like to do it, so it gives some dimension to my face and my face doesn't look too pale. So that's the reason why I like doing this particular step. So, and also I do a little use a little bit of bronzer here, so it creates like a shadow and makes your face look a little slimmer. There. So once you're done with this, we'll move on to blush. Now for blush, I'm using the same palette, this blush over here, this blush shade. Okay, using this brush. Okay, taking a little bit, dust off the excess again, and just place it slightly above the contour or the bronzer that you applied, slightly above that, and blend it well together, you know, so it doesn't look like two different harsh lines. It should be nice and blended, and pull it up towards your forehead. Just pull it up slightly like this. See, it gives a nice flush of color like this. If you want, you can apply a little bit on your nose to give a little flushed look. That's it. You can see, if you feel it is too much, you can always tone it down just using a blender, but I think it's fine. So this is it. Looks quite nice. Now you can see my base. I'll get you nice and close so you can see my base. You can see the base makeup clearly. Okay. You mix you blend your blush and your contour very well so it looks nice and seamless. So this is it. My base is done. Okay, now I'll finish the rest of my makeup and be back. So I'm back. I did this eye look. Okay, I know it's very bold, but I went all out. I thought, why not? I put a lot of jewelry, and that's it. I'm here. I really hope you like this video. This video was a step-by-step tutorial on how to do your base makeup, because if your base makeup is not good, nothing else will look good. Okay, so I thought I would first start with this video, and then slowly I will have different videos coming up on how to do your eyebrows, how to apply your highlighter, you know, how to apply different lipstick shades with different eye looks. I will also be creating a lot of different eye looks. So if you have anything in particular that you want me to create, please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to do that. Also, I just realized in this video and all my previous videos, I've been saying okay too many times. So I think I should hold a contest and have a giveaway of whoever points out how many times I said okay in the video. I think I should do that, right? Please comment and let me know if you think I should do that. Okay, so any which ways, let's end this video now. I really hope you like this video. If you do, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon out there to get notified whenever I post a video. Also check the I button to check my previous videos that I have posted, and my Insta page. Please do not forget to check that out. Okay, I post a lot of stuff over there, so I'm sure you'll be entertained. So see you soon. And as I always say, stay safe, stay strong and stay happy. Love you all so much. See you all very soon. Bye-bye.